Hi, my name is Kumar Nagalingam, and I am the advisor for Skills Club. And today we are having one of the, I think a 9th and a 10th session under Skills Club, which is Making Bread 101 with Mr. Raymond Markus.
My name is Raymond Markus. I'm the head of School of Business for Veritas University College. Right? And I'm also with the BAC Group as head of marketing for School of Business. I teach marketing, I teach entrepreneurship, and I do this, bread making.
My name is Erica and I'm currently in the UKT program year 1.
My name is Kanisha and I'm also doing the UKT program year 1.
Hi, I'm Singham with the BAC Education Group. We are our new state-of-the-art teaching kitchen from Reliance College. We're having a nice class here with Mr. Raymond Markus, who is actually teaching us how to make bread.
I'm Rashwin and I'm doing the UKTL year 1 and I'm the president of the Skills Club.
It's good because I think it's very hands-on. It's not just a demonstration of baking the bread, it's actually showing the beginning as to how to make the dough, and then people get to really get into it, do the dough, the kneading, and then and of course the baking. So I think it's good because it's practical and people learn.
I found it very informative because for a person like me, I really love baking. I normally bake cookies at home. So learning how to make a bread, how to bake a bread is a new thing for me. So I'll definitely try it.
Basically, it was self-taught, but I actually had a friend of mine works in a bakery even till today. He runs a pastry manufacturing company. So he was the first one to tell me a little bit about how bread gets made. So when he started showing me all these different types of bread, I started getting intrigued, and that's how I started. So technically, I learned from him and also lots and lots of other sources.
I think today's session is quite fun. Yeah,
I also found it very informative. We were making bread.
And since I already have the fundamental of kneading, since I always help my mom at home, so I think it's easier for me and I'll definitely do it in the future, try it.
I think this is something simple, something that you can do. And for me, if you can spend a little bit of time to make bread for yourself, I believe that one, it's a healthier choice, right? That's my personal opinion, a healthier choice. And secondly, it also becomes a form of exercise. As you can see, most of them here, they are sweating to glory, just kneading the bread.
a lot of interesting fun facts about bread.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
It's so great to see students and staff come together and try to pick up new skills. The future is going to all be about picking up as many skills as you can, as fast as you can, and diverse range of skills.
I think it's really exciting, the fact that you all have managed to bring people together to learn different things other than academics. This is something that may not necessarily be tested anywhere, but it's something nice to know, something educational, and also it's a way to network with people, get to meet others. So yeah, I think that the club is doing a great job by getting people together this way.
Skills Club don't only have like cooking sessions, we have sessions related to finance and like just now I said business, career, tech. So there's all this kind of, we have speakers from different areas.
A few other topics that he gave me was how to blog and how to vlog, and a few other topics which is quite interesting. Again, that's going to be face-to-face also. The other one is video editing as well. How to make short videos and video editing.
I've got to congratulate the Skills Club for doing some great work, running sessions every week on different kinds of skills, digital skills, cooking skills, music skills, art skills, every different type of area where people can build competencies, have fun, it will help you with your work, it will give you an enjoyable hobby. So thanks everyone for joining us, and I'm looking forward to eating some really tasty bread after this.